Lexus infotainment systems can sometimes experience glitches that affect performance. The first step is usually a soft reboot, which clears temporary issues without losing your data. To perform a soft reboot, hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. This is a quick fix for minor problems like screen freezes. For more severe issues, such as frequent crashes or significant lag, a factory reset may be necessary. This erases all settings and returns the system to its default state. Access Factory Reset through the Settings menu. Go to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. Remember, this will erase your personal data, so use it only as a last resort and back up important information first. After a factory reset, you'll need to repair Bluetooth devices and reconnect CarPlay or Android Auto. Always perform resets with the vehicle parked to ensure safety. Bluetooth problems are common in Lexus infotainment systems. Start by clearing paired devices in the Settings menu and repairing them. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is up to date by checking for software updates. For CarPlay issues, first check your USB cable. Use a Lexus-approved cable for reliable connection. Verify your iOS or Android software is up to date, as outdated versions often cause compatibility issues. A simple reset of the infotainment system, followed by repairing, resolves most connectivity problems. Make sure to perform resets when parked to avoid distractions.